So today I am going to show you how to cook a lobster. This lobster, we bought it at Ventura Fisherman's Market for $13 a pound, and it was fresh and alive earlier. But of course now it's dead because it hasn't been on the water for a while. So the very first thing that you need to do is to fill up a large pot with 3/4 of water and bring it to boil. Now once it's boiling, you can put either an iodized salt, a sea rock salt, a Himalayan salt, whatever salt you want, like 2 tablespoons of those. So once your water is boiling, you're gonna pick up your lobster. Just take up the rubber bands. Now, if the lobsters are still alive, you can use a knife to take this off. But I already did that earlier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the lobster heads first and just dip it right there, like that. I'm actually gonna put 2 lobsters because my pot is quite big. And you cook the lobster for 10 minutes per pound. And since I have like 1.5 pounds, so I'm gonna cook it for 15 minutes. Actually, I can do 3. So later, after I'm done cooking the lobster, I'm gonna show you on how you eat a lobster. So just bring it to boil for 15 minutes, and then you can come back, take it off carefully from the pot, and cut it. Okay. So while the lobster is cooking, I just wanted to share with you guys that I just learned that these lobsters are actually rich in different vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B's like B12, B3, B6. Vitamin B's. And there's also 2 kinds of lobsters, like the soft-shelled and the hard-shelled lobster. Now, the soft-shelled ones, you'll be able to tell when you pinch it right here, it's quite soft, and underneath its claw, you're gonna see that there's not much pigmentation like this one. And this is a hard-shelled lobster. And for you to tell whether the lobster is a male or female, you're gonna have to look at here and check for the hard shell. So this is a female lobster because this is soft right here. And I also learned that lobster is one of the most famous seafoods there is because it is sweet, but it is also very expensive. Like when we eat in a restaurant, a pound of a lobster costs like $32. So can you imagine? And this is one, if this is like 2 pounds, so that's about $60. That's why I've decided to try and buy it fresh, even though I am intimidated on how to cook the lobster because I've never really cooked once, and this is my first time. Like, I don't even know how to eat a lobster. So what I did, I just watched several random YouTube videos, and I've learned that you can just pinch this little legs right here and eat this little meat, and then you can do the claw and you can cut it right here. This is the soft spot, and split it in half. Yep. So that's it. I'm just waiting for it to get cooked. I still have 10 minutes to go, and I have two more lobster to cook.